Alright guys, let's go ahead and quickly have a closer look at everything that comes included with the Piko Plus webcam kit. Starting off with the webcam itself, you'll notice right off the bat that we actually do have two cameras here at the front. I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about this webcam throughout the course of this video. Over here towards the bottom, we actually do have a 1/4 thread mounting option. Over here at the top, these three little holes are the internal microphone. And here towards the back, we do have that USB-C connection, so we can connect this webcam to our PC via this cable over here, which is a USB-C to USB-C cable with an included USB-C to USB-A adapter. We do also have this privacy lens cover as well that magnetically connects to the camera. So for an example, you can just place it on like that, and now it is magnetically connected for privacy reasons if you don't want to have your camera exposed when you are not using it and have it plugged in, which is really nice. And for storage, we can actually connect it over here at the back of the webcam itself. It is also magnetically connected as well. Over here, you'll notice a little mini tripod that's going to allow us to mount the webcam on if we want to, and we do also have a quick start guide. So let's go ahead guys and get a little bit more familiar with all the specs and features with the Piko Plus. This tiny powerhouse webcam is packed with smart AI features, a unique dual camera system, and 3 noise cancelling mics to take your video quality to the next level. Whether you're streaming, in a meeting, or just catching up with some friends, this webcam is built to make you look and sound your best. Right out of the box, the Piko Plus has a sleek, compact design that's not just stylish but super practical. It's lightweight, easy to mount on any monitor, and plug and play. So no extra drivers, no hassle, just connect it to your laptop or PC and you're ready to go with OBS, Teams, YouTube, Facebook, and more. And if you prefer more flexibility, the Piko Plus also has a 1/4 thread mount, so you can attach it to a tripod for the perfect angle. Even better, it comes with a mini tripod right out of the box, making setup super easy whether you're at your desk or on the go. And check this out, the privacy mode just got a whole lot cuter. The Piko Plus comes with a magnetic rubber privacy cover that snaps right onto the front of the webcam when you're not using it. And the best part, it looks like a little tiny teddy bear or panda wearing sunglasses. So not only does it protect your privacy, but it also adds a bit of fun to your setup and also protecting your camera lens. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the image quality. The Piko Plus features a Sony 0.55-inch sensor shooting in crisp 4K up to 30 frames per second or 1080p up to 60 frames per second with a 73-degree field of view. And thanks to its dual camera system, it actually recognizes your head and shoulders to intelligently locate and enhance your face. That means better facial focus, more natural lighting, and an overall sharper look, especially in tricky lighting situations like backlighting. Autofocus, you asked? Yes, super fast autofocus. No more blurry transitions when you move around. This webcam keeps up with you effortlessly. And let's not forget about the audio. The Piko Plus has 3 built-in noise cancelling microphones that make sure your voice comes through loud and clear while filtering out annoying background noise. Plus you get 3 different mic modes. We have 3 different microphone modes to pick from, starting off with the streaming mode for balanced, steady audio. We also have a noise cancelling mode, perfect for meetings, cutting out distractions like AC hum or keyboard clicks. And we also have the original mode, which keeps your voice exactly how it is, no processing whatsoever. So if you need a powerful AI-enhanced 4K webcam that's compact, easy to use, and delivers stunning video and audio, this one's definitely a solid choice. Plus, with the included mini tripod, versatile mounting options, and that adorable privacy cover, it's got everything you need for streaming, meetings, and content creation. Alright guys, check it out. Here's a quick little test using the Piko Plus connected to my laptop right now with the included USB-C to USB-C cable. And I do have the Piko Plus set to autofocus, auto exposure, and at 4K 30 frames per second. And I'm recording this video right now in OBS. The other thing that you guys want to know is that you are actually listening to the internal microphone from the Piko Plus. This is what the audio sounds like. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. I am using the included mini tripod to mount the Piko just over here to the side, and I am in a reasonably lit environment right now. Let me know what you guys think of the video image quality and also how the audio sounds. Alright guys, check it out. Here is another test using the Piko Plus, and what we are testing out in this test is to see how this camera actually performs when we are in this type of a lighting environment. You can see I got this nice big window behind me, creating a lot of light into the scene, but unfortunately it's behind me, which usually most cameras can't really handle that well, but it seems like the Piko Plus is auto exposing for myself, which is the subject in this type of lighting environment, being backlit. So let me know what you guys think down into the comment section down below. This Piko Plus also includes a software for our PC that we can actually control all of these other further settings. So first thing I wanted to point out, right here at the top we got control, effect, and assist. So right now we're underneath the control tab. So we do have currently right now for the test I was just doing the backlight contrast enabled, and we can adjust the field of view as well, being able to zoom in, and we have this option over here bottom right hand corner for preview live. So let's go ahead and select it, and bingo, sure enough, just as I wanted, is a live view of what the camera is actually looking at. So we can adjust again the frame rates and resolution right over here. We can flip the image if we need to. We have some preset filters that we can adjust. Let's go to the next tab over here as far as the effect. So over here you can adjust the anti-flicker, the image adjustments, as far as basically like the white balance and contrast and brightness and all that type of stuff. So we have those controls right over here. Next, if we come over to assistance, we do have the focus way, so the different options of focusing, autofocus, manual focus, and we were talking about those audio modes earlier. Audio mode selection, we got the live mode, the noise reduction mode, and the acoustic mode. So overall, this is a nice addition that's included with the Piko Plus, just to kind of give us more control and adjust all of these settings. Well guys, it looks like we reached that time of the video to give you my overall thoughts and opinion of the Piko Plus. If you guys cannot tell already, I'm actually very impressed with the video image quality coming from this webcam up to 4K 30 or even 1080p 60. I do suggest to use this webcam in a well lit environment, maybe some light from a window or just some additional lighting accessories. Overall, that's going to make the image quality kind of be the best that it could possibly be. As far as connecting it, super easy, USB-C cable. The mini tripod's nice and easy to be able to just set up and just place it anywhere, get the right angle. The internal microphone, yeah, it does seem like it's doing a pretty good job. Don't forget we have those 3 different audio modes that you can kind of just fine tune, and if you do really need to, you can use an external mic if you want to. As far as the autofocus, working good. Auto exposure, working pretty good, and I really have no complaints. I think for what we are paying and what we are getting, the Piko Plus is definitely a great option. So if you guys do have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section down below. I will also leave a link down into the description as well where you can purchase this webcam if you guys are interested. And that looks like a wrap for today's video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.